Optimizing your existing content in Frase just got a whole lot easier and faster. Here's how it works. To start, click on the Import URL option. Then type in the main query you'd like this piece of content to rank for. Next, choose your country, language, and governance settings so Frase knows exactly how to tailor your optimization. Then, go down to Import URL and paste in the link to your published piece of content that you'd like to re-optimize. From here, click Create Document. Frase will fetch and process your page automatically and then show you a document preview. Once your preview appears, go ahead and scroll through it to make sure it looks good, then hit Insert Content. Once it's been put in, you'll need to click Start on the right-hand side here to start processing the SERP results. Now that this has been processed, you'll just need to click on the Optimize tab on the right side and click the Auto Optimize button. From here, you'll see that we're going to show you how your score has changed, what sections we've updated, and the SEO opportunities we've identified. You'll see now that Frase has re-optimized your content, updating keywords, structure, and on-page elements while keeping your original tone and style perfectly intact. You can watch the score on the right panel climb as Frase makes real-time adjustments. You'll even see which sections were improved. And that's it. You now have a fully re-optimized piece of content ready to perform better in search results and reach the right audiences across locations. No manual rewrites, no guesswork, just smart, automated optimization powered by Frase.